Everyone, I know it's been a while since I've posted anything on YouTube, and I've said this in previous posts, but this journey of going through YouTube and creating content for everyone to view has been great. I loved how my Swift UI videos have been able to help many of you. I love how some of my no-code videos have been able to help many of you. My main focus was to do that while creating content on YouTube, but it was also to make money. And as many of you know, and you've been following me for a while, I was putting in a lot of work just creating content. Those Swift UI videos took a while to create. I had to practice them, and then I had to redo them, and then eventually just launch them so you guys can view it. And it inspired me. Well, the frustration inspired me to launch a new product to compete with YouTube, and that's called Clava. And you guys have it's called Clava, and you guys have seen me post about it. But essentially, what it's doing is it's helping creators like myself monetize through live streams that pay them per minute from each viewer in their stream. You could say we're competing against Twitch as well. But right now, our live streams are mainly like a social live stream. Think about, hosting a live stream on Instagram or TikTok where it's on your phone. We are integrating the ability to soon stream from your computer, which is really, really exciting because, creators can get access to this paid per minute live stream model that we've created. But I want to start creating these weekly, voice memos, recordings, whatever you call them, to give you guys an update and to watch me essentially just build in public. And for anyone who's interested in following along or wants to help out, feel free to reach out to me, drop some things in the comments, whatever you want to do. But I want to start off today in just talking about where we're at now with Clava, what we're trying to do, and our goals, right? So first and foremost, to give you guys a quick little background, Clava launched in July for iOS only, and then we launched Android in the first week of October. Since we've launched on both stores, we just reached and surpassed 1,000 users. We've generated over $500 in revenue, and we're averaging about 45 plus live streams a week. The average earnings per stream can range between 50 cents and $4.50. And what's really cool about that is that, I was putting in work on YouTube for a year, ended up not making 1 cent because of these guidelines that YouTube requires you to hit. And then once you hit them, you're still not making enough money, right? You really have to grow your audience, and that can cause burnout, and I'm sure many of you have felt that, and Twitch is the same thing. Instagram, same thing. I mean, TikTok, same thing. Instagram, you can't start making money on a live until you have 10,000 followers, right? So with Clava, what's really cool is that we don't have guidelines, okay? And the second you have a viewer join your stream, you start making money. We're able to do that because users can't join a live stream for free. They're going to have at least one Clava minute or 1 minute on their account. Clava minutes work essentially the same way as an actual minute in real life work. It's just a currency of time. So if you have one Clava minute, you can tune into a live stream for up to 1 minute. We have 3 packages you can purchase. You can buy 15 minutes worth of time for 99 cents, 30 minutes worth of time for $1.99, or an hour worth of time for $3.99. So if you were to buy that 15-minute package for 99 cents, you could join one live and watch it for up to 15 minutes, or you could spread those 15 minutes across multiple lives to support multiple creators. What's cool is once you start tuning into a stream, you instantly start supporting that creator you're watching, because they start taking some revenue from the money you spent to purchase those minutes. So that's what we're doing so far, and we really just wanted to test if the business model is going to work, and it's been working really well. We've been getting a lot of people making a significant amount of cash. Me personally, I made more when Clava first initially launched, and I went live in there for 5 minutes. I made more in that 5 minutes than I did in a year on YouTube, which is something to attest for. And what we're finding out is that these creators are making more money quicker in Clava with a smaller audience tuning into their streams or into their content, right? So giving you an example, we have a creator who does golf trick shots on TikTok. He can average between 900 viewers to 4,000. And according to him, he's making between sometimes $0 per stream up to 100, right? Whereas he's been going live in Clava doing these trick shots, and he's been averaging about 4 to 5 viewers. He's been streaming for about an hour, and he's been clearing about $8 to $12 per stream. And if you crunch the numbers, he has a lot less viewers, but he's making a significant amount of money. And we're still new, so if we continue to grow and more people continue to join the product, and he continues to drive his existing community in there, he will continue to make more money. And just in 5 lives, he made around $74, I think it was. So we have created a business model that allows creators to make significant amount of cash if they're able to drive viewers into their stream. So with that being said, just some KPIs to go over. Like I said, 40 plus lives per week, average earnings between 50 cents and $4.50, averaging about 30 to 40 new users a week, trying to get that up. And what we're getting a lot of requests from communities, from our community. Right now, you can go live right away, and then you can also schedule a live for a specific day and time. When you schedule a live, users in Clava and can sign up for that live to get notified, and you can also drive users into Clava to sign up for your stream, like your community. You can drive them in there. And then also on our profile, we have the ability for you to view your total earnings from each live stream that you've hosted, and then also your total earnings from all your live streams. You can then request to cash out those earnings after you've hit $25 in total revenue, which is really cool. And what we're trying to add now is let me take a step back. What we're doing now is, to be transparent, fixing some major Android bugs. Our users can't purchase minutes, which is crucial on Android right now. So we're working through that bug mainly, and once we get that, we'll be ready to start integrating some new features, which is the more exciting part. And these features are features that obviously our community has requested. And the first feature is creator profiles, obviously, so that creators can now start building a following in Clava. Next is free lives plus tips. So instead of always charging your community for to join a stream, which is working, right? But we kind of want to give the option for the creator to choose when they want to start charging their community. And by hosting a free stream, they can still make money through tips, but this would be a great way to get more people to follow them, build their community, and then they could then host a paid stream maybe once a week that might be a little bit more exclusive than what they're doing. Like the content might be more exclusive or more in tuned or better, for lack of words, than their free streams, right? And now they can easily convert those free members that are already following them into paid members, right? Which is really exciting. So we're working on that. And then we're going to be working on the ability, like I said, to stream from your computer. And lastly, memories. So memories has been a big request from our creators. And what it is essentially is it will allow the creators to do two things. One, they can turn their live stream into a recording. So before they even create their stream, when they're going through the create process, they can choose if they want to turn this stream into a memory. This memory is essentially a recording of that stream that will then be able to be purchased by users users on Clava that potentially couldn't make the stream, or they didn't know there was a stream and they came across this memory and they want to purchase it. To give you an example on like how this would work or when this would work, or a use case scenario, let's just say we have a magician doing a magic show and I can't make the magic show live, but I definitely wanted to tune into it and support that creator, and more importantly tune into a magic show. So let's just say the magic show is 15 minutes, right? Short magic show. That creator when they end that stream, that magic show stream, that magic show will turn into a memory that will get posted on that creator's account, profile page, and on our all memories page. So you can view on the all memories page, you can just view all the memories in Clava. So when I go and check out that magic show and I want to tune in and watch it, since it was 15 minutes long, that's how much money, that's how much I'm going to have to pay in order to purchase it. Okay, so we want to stay around our currency, which is Clava minutes. So when these creators are turning their live streams into memories, Clava is generating the price based on how long it is. So in this case, it was 15 minutes, this magic show, which means it's going to cost me 99 cents essentially, because that's how much a 15-minute package cost, right? Now, if it was 25 minutes, you'd have to buy, 15 minutes worth of time and then another 15 minutes worth of time to purchase that 20-minute package, which is obviously, a workaround, but we're thinking about adding the ability to just purchase 1 minute as well. But the issue is Apple's not going to let anything below 99 cents, so don't know if we're going to be able to do that. So then the second way they can utilize memories is they can instead of turning their live streams into a recording, they can also upload content that they already have created. So think of the creators that have already created tutorials, that have already created classes, like myself. Like I could take all the videos I've created around Swift UI and I can put them in Clava. Now some of them are 20, 25 minutes long, and it's going to cost a user, that much Clava minutes to purchase. But now these creators can create a content library where they can start earning passively. It's going to encourage them to create better content because they want people to pay to purchase these memories so they can earn passively. But they can also earn right away just by going live right away. And I also forgot to mention, if a creator is hosting a live stream that is free, they will, and that's getting turned into a memory, that memory will be free as well. The only time a memory is going to cost money is if the stream if the stream is the pay per minute model where you have to use your Clava minutes in order to watch. That's when the memory will cost something, or during the upload process of creating a new memory and uploading content you already have on your phone or on your computer, whatever it may be. You can choose if you want to charge people for that content or make it free, right? So we want to keep giving these creators options so that they have the freedom to monetize whenever they want. And what's really cool is that Clava is, allowing them to monetize and make significant money. This isn't them getting paid a couple cents, or one time a month through subscriptions. The creator economy is starting to grow, and these creators should be getting paid for the content they're creating. And people aren't afraid to throw a couple dollars at these creators, or a couple $100. I mean, there's a lot of people, spending a lot of money on creators they follow. So what we're trying to do is just, the next couple weeks here, by next week, wrap up these bugs, then focus on integrating some feature sets, new features, and getting some bigger creators in here. So if this is something anyone out there is interested in using, I'm going to put the link to download at the bottom here to download Clava, but we would love to have you. If you want to come and support the creators we already have, we would really appreciate that. But we are growing, and right now it's just a team of two, me and my co-founder Trish, who's the full stack developer, and I'm just product designer. But if you are a developer interested in helping us out, don't hesitate to reach out. We are definitely interested. The product is built on React Native, so we definitely need someone that understands that framework. But other than that, that's really it. I hope you guys even enjoyed this little update. I'm going to try doing these every Friday. I'm going to see if I can get back into coming back here on YouTube. I honestly, to be honest, might move to Twitch to start streaming. I might be doing more streaming stuff than actually creating videos. And the streaming stuff's going to be around coding and creating prototypes and designing and just potentially talking about Clava. So excited. I'm really, really excited. Appreciate all 1,700 subscribers that have continued to stay subscribed, and I just hope you guys really enjoyed this update and want to follow my journey in building this really awesome new creator app that is just focused on helping creators make more money. So until then, I will see you guys later.